You already know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is a 2001 Jaguar X series. I think it's like an xj8 or something like that. And we are redoing a satellite radio that was in this vehicle, and somebody messed it up. So we're gonna go back behind the radio. I want to show you how to take it out real quick. First things first, panel removal tool. Boom, real simple. Like, you just want to pop that up. This little piece is just a trim. It can come from it, but it's just held in by clips. Either way, just keep that on there. I will send that over there. Next, we have two 7 mils, and then we also have two 7 mils up top. So with these 7 mils, I'm going to use my shorty. With the one in the back, I'm going to use these spring loaded because it has this little nut at the top. But I'm going to go ahead and take these four off, and that's going to give us this little plastic piece. Alright, so I got all those screws out. So now I can come out and disconnect these little harnesses back here. Bam time. Alright, next thing we're gonna do. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on and put this like in the neutral position, something like that. Now, it seems like since I am going behind somebody's work, this was a little loose, so there's not too much pressure on the clips. But either way, we want to take this trim part out and just kind of work it around and pop it out up there at the top. Now let me use two hands. This is an old Jaguar. Hold on. Alright, so now that we got that out, we got a Phillips right there and a Phillips right there that I'm about to go ahead and take out. And then after that, we should have this radio. Alright, so I've taken that out, and I've gotten back here to the back where I found all of the little other issues. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. If you guys found any value in this video, man, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification, all that good stuff if I'm helping any of you guys out with your install needs. Until the next time, I'll see y'all at the next car, baby. Peace.